Hey guys, Barrett Jackson, West Palm Beach for 2025 is actually going on here this week. We have two really nice cars going through. We have, first of all, this 2010 ZR1 manual 6-speed car. It's a one owner with 14,000 original miles, and I have every stitch of paperwork with this car, from the original invoicing, all the original paperwork, documentation, original window sticker. This car window stickered at $121,130 when it was new, and it's only got 14,000 original miles. So this car has full PPF on the whole front clip, the rear quarters. It's been completely ceramic coated. This car was bought and purchased new in the state of Michigan, not too far from where the car was designed by GM. So this car goes through on, it's a Friday lot number, prime time, lot number 400 on this car, 400, prime time. So check out all the details, videos, and stuff we have online on this car. And now I'm going to talk about this black 77. One of the most popular Trans Ams in existence right now is the 77 Special Edition Trans Am. To top it off, a 4-speed Special Edition that's got 46,000 original miles. We did a complete repaint of this car, so it's got all new base clear, Speesucker paint, so it's a super high-end paint job. It's been all wet sanded, polished. We did a full ceramic finish on this car after it was done, refinished the original wheels, new tires. It's still all original interior, all original drivetrain, fully detailed engine compartment, and it still has the original factory red oxide on the bottom side of this car. It's a factory AC car, and it's got the rare Hurst T-top. So it's a Y82, which means it's a special edition with the Hurst T-tops, and it's a W72, which means it's the bigger 220 horse Pontiac 400 motor. That was the biggest motor you could get for this year for this car. And it's got the black deluxe velour interior. It's super nice, comfortable, power windows, all the bells and whistles. This car runs and drives out. It's really nice. This is a Saturday primetime lot number auction car at Barrett Jackson, West Palm Beach, coming up this Saturday. And it is lot number 674. Check out all the details, on our website. We got full videos, pictures, all high-res stuff, and you can also go to Barrett Jackson's website. It's very easy to register online, to bid on this online if you need to, and or call in and have them bid for you over the phone. But don't miss out on an opportunity to own one of the best investment cars that you can buy that only goes up.